Gnomedix. I'm Jake Ludington, and I don't know what the date is.
It's the 23rd.
Oh, it's the 23rd? Oh, it's not my show.
This is the Jake Ludington show.
No, this is the Chris and Ponce show. I'm just behind the scenes. The Chris Pirillo show is broadcasting live right now, and I have no idea if the stream is still up.
That's okay. Everybody's here that should be watching it anyway.
That's right. That's right. I have to make sure that the stream works tomorrow. I'm really curious to see if Bill Gates really announces a podcasting client as promised on all of the podcasting discussion lists. Actually, seriously, what Microsoft is announcing, I don't know what it is, but Microsoft is announcing something here or showing off something that nobody has seen today.
Unplanned thing that's going to happen to Chris Pirillo while he's on stage.
Oh, whoa, is there a surprise for Chris?
That remains to be seen.
But the numbers are going up, aren't they?
Yes.